What's up guys, and today on Plug and Play we're going to be checking out the new amp simulator Spark from Mercuriall. Alright, so Mercuriall recently put out their new amp simulator Spark, which is their take on the Marshall amplifier, and we're going to talk about some of the different features, and there is a lot of them. Alright, so let's talk about some of the features within Spark. So within Spark it has 4 tube amplifiers, 4 overdrives, 4 cabs, a whole effects page which has chorus, delay, reverb, and actually one of the features that I was really happy to see was the addition of the noise gate, which one of the things that I thought was lacking in the Mercuriall U530 plugin, they actually added in this one. And if you want to see that demo too, you can check out the link right over here. Alright, so first off, if you're like me, one of the things that I hate doing is having to open up a bunch of different plugins, because I get lazy and over time it's just like, you don't want to have to do that. So this thing is cool because it has all these different things bundled up into one thing. So you have your main page, which has your different amp settings, preamp, power amp, oversampling, and another thing that they added is the effects page, which has all the different stuff for delay, reverb, and your chorus. And actually on my rhythm guitars on this one, and I actually used a little bit of the chorus on this demo for the rhythm guitars to sort of give it that little bit of a polished sound. And also on the lead guitars, one of the things I added was the built-in reverb. I mean, you can stack all these different ones up together, but for this, I wanted to keep it simple and just add that reverb just to sort of give the leads a little bit more of a spatial sound. Alright, so one of my favorite options that they added to this plugin is the ability to combine 2 different microphones at the same time. And they give you 3 different options. They give you an SM57, a Sennheiser 441, and a Royer 121. And one of the great things about having this is that you can get the perfect sound that you want by combining all these different microphones that are used in studios today, miking up cabs to get these heavy sounds. So by having these options of microphones that are used in all studios around the world, you basically can get any sound you want with this plugin, either more of a rock sound or what I was going for, which is more of a heavy, aggressive, tight metal sound. And a while back they actually released the TS808, which is their version of the Ibanez Tube Screamer, and now that's actually built inside the Spark plugin, which I think is really cool because now you have everything in one plugin. And they also give you 4 different versions too. There's the TS808, the TS808 mod, there's the TS7 Hot, and then the Grid Slammer. And all of these have different sonic characteristics that you can just sort of switch through and then see which one sounds best or the one that you're going for. And for this mix I actually used the TS808 because I felt that sounded the best for what I was going for. And also one of the things that comes bundled up in this is the 4 different cabs. And 2 of them are based off of Bogner, and then 2 of them are based off of a Marshall. And there's actually 8 total, and the other 4 are just to have I think a slightly different EQ on it. And one of the really cool things that I was excited about was the fact that there was a built-in noise gate. That was the main downfall that I didn't like about the U530, So having this now, you don't have to throw on an extra additional gate or any sort of gating noise reduction after this plugin. So you'll have everything built right in. So as far as this demo goes, the only thing that I have inserted on my guitar track is Spark. That's it. All the EQ is within it, all the reverb for the solos is on that. The only other thing that I have a little bit going on is I have my guitar sent to a bus with a little bit of multiband compression and a little bit of tape simulation, but barely anything. Most of the sound that you're hearing is from this plugin. So the fact that everything's built in really makes it easy to just sort of throw it up and get a working tone and not have to throw in any multiple plugins. And the fact that it's low on CPU is great too. So all in all, I think this is a great plugin. Honestly, I would use this in any of my mixes. And I think it's something that I'm going to be using in the future for sure, especially for pre-production. So, because it's quick, it's easy, it allows me to get to what I need. And yeah, so make sure to go and head over to their website and check it out. I'll have it in the description below. And as of always, thanks for checking it out, and I will see you guys next time on Plug and Play.